Welcome to Mr. Michael's ELA classroom. What are we going to learn today?
Salam Alaikum, parents. This is a help video I am putting together, and it's titled How to Help Your Child Succeed in ELA. And it's going to also address vocabulary and the things I am going to try to assist you in helping your child. As a disclaimer, all the Arabic in this presentation is from Google Translate, so I do apologize if there are errors. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my opinion on tutors and things to look out for. Now, tutors can be very helpful if they are well prepared. In my opinion, you need to be looking out for tutors that only do your child's homework for them. They don't do it with them, they do it for them. I see this frequently. I don't penalize students for it because it is my hope that the tutors are actually working with the child, but I do worry that a lot of the tutors just sit with your child, open up their Google Classroom and do their homework for them. Now this is an absolute waste of your money. This will not help your son, and it will only impact their mark in a very small amount, but it will not impact their learning at all. Also, be very wary of tutors who just come to your house and they have nothing in their hands. If they don't have their own resources, something on paper to do with your child, if they don't have a plan, this is another thing you should be asking tutors for, is what is your plan to assist my son? What are you going to bring to the table? What resources are you going to bring to help my child succeed? If they are not doing this, you should be very worried that they are just taking your money and not actually helping your son. Now, the best way to help your child succeed is to practice English with them at home. The main part of English that needs to be practiced at home is vocabulary. Words cannot be learned in isolation. They need to be seen and used in many different places. So, please continue watching this video. If you need any help, email me and continue watching. So parents are always asking me, how can I help my child do better in ELA? So what you can do is I will be sending you guys out an email every week. It's going to look like this. So these are the words. So these words here are what they chose. So I would like you to basically create a whiteboard somewhere in your house, label them by week, and write these words place that your child will see them, but also try to get your other children involved. Try to make games of these words, because after you go through week 1 into week 2, 3, 4, you'll have a great number of words. And there are 42 weeks in the year, so that's going to be over 200 words on that board at the end of the year. If your nanny can help your child using these words, just ask them random questions. Try to use these words in conversations you have with your child at home. And again, if an uncle comes in, get them involved. If the cousins come in, get them involved. Have little games with this. The more you practice these words, the more your child will know them, use them, and understand them. So this is the main objective here. Use these words as often as possible.